Hello dear hungry ones. Batata Harra, these are marinated, spicy roasted potatoes. They originate from the Lebanon and Syria region. These potatoes can be enjoyed on their own or serve well as an alternative for potato salad or fries. In any case, they are very, very delicious. For this, we need sweet paprika, salt and harissa, which you can find as a paste or powder. Either works. Cumin, we need a lemon more specifically, its juice and a few cloves of garlic. Additionally, we can enhance the dish with a few sprigs of bright, fresh coriander, or instead, as I have chosen, the lovely flat leaf parsley. Even if it's a slight deviation from the original recipe, and of course, we need potatoes specifically. Let's choose some small, waxy potatoes that are just right. First, add them unpeeled into a pot filled with water and cook them until they become nicely tender. Then remove them from the stove, drain, and let them cool. In the meantime, we prepare a marinade. Pour the lemon juice into a bowl with the oil. Then add a teaspoon of sweet paprika, a teaspoon of salt, and the same amount of cumin. Also, add 2 teaspoons of harissa. Then mix everything thoroughly. Place the peeled garlic cloves down and press them flat gently. Just lay a broad knife flat on them and give it a good press. Once we've done that with all of them, we add them to the marinade. Now, back to the potatoes. Once they're cooled, we peel them. Then, place them in a bowl and pour the prepared marinade over them. Now, mix everything together thoroughly. It's probably easiest with 2 big spoons. Next, we line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread the marinated potatoes on it. Spread them out a bit so they don't overlap. Then pop them in the oven and they'll bake at 200 degrees or at 180 degrees with fan for 20 minutes. And when we take them out, they look so deliciously appetizing. Sprinkle them with either roughly chopped cilantro or parsley before serving, and then enjoy. You could also add a dip to go with them. In their country of origin, they're often served in pita bread, and of course, you could also serve them with meat or vegetables. A truly delicious potato variation. Give it a try. I wish you lots of fun preparing it and a hearty appetite. See you next time. Bye.